guys, Rick Damath here at Cowtown USA here in Cuba, Missouri. Brand new 2019 Lakota Charger, but it's I would call it a hard loaded trailer. I can't call it a bighorn, but it's definitely got some bighorn features on it. Soft touch interior walls, the wine guard Wi-Fi system, aluminum wheels, some features like that. Start you up here to the front. You got dual hydraulic jacks, dual batteries, aluminum spare tire wheel. Got your camper fold down step here. You got your power awning, your dual radio speakers, your LED light out here on the side of the trailer. Let me see here. Again, I mentioned the aluminum wheels on it. Drop downs on the butt side of the horses. Got a camper step or a step here on the back end for your rear tack. Fully insulated, fully rubber lined. Got your LEDs. It's got your you're hearing traffic or stopped. You can have your fans on for your horses. Separate face bars in front of the horses as well. Fully padded, fully lined. Collapsable rear tack. One key lock system. Here. Right here. Pull a pin here. Drop your step down. Fully insulated, fully lined. Swing out blanket bars. Again, the collapsible rear tack will haul ATV or UTV or mares and babies or load of furniture or horses. You can do that. You can do that. Fold that back up there. It's got your ladder on the side of the trailer, but it also swings out, so it keeps you from having to climb straight up the side of the trailer. Got your mangers here. Storage. Separate face bars in front of the horses, and you can see they're all handmade doors. This is not a prefab deal. Got your step here in front of the escape door, and a deadbolt lock here so you can go in at night and lock the trailer right behind you. Got your slide out here, which is pretty obvious. Aluminum frame, aluminum floor. Excuse me, I'd call it a metallic graphite gray. Some silver striping on it, stainless steel nose on the front. Back up here, you can see a little bit more about it. 8 wide, 15-foot short wall with a slide, and 7'6" tall. Okay, come right here. The first thing you're going to notice, the interior is hickory. Excuse me, hickory. It's got your banister rail and a nice set of steps to go up into the bed. Show you the floor. Very pretty floor. I want to tell you something here too. When you get into the hickory model with these, you get away from that vinyl wrap when you go to this upgrade. See, most of the time when you come in here, I'll move this seat back here. This piece right here, the end of your dinette here, that'll have a piece of vinyl wrap because this is a decal. Well, when you upgrade these ends for your storage, no longer have that plywood. You have this is all solid hickory, and then you have access underneath your dinette, so you get away from the vinyl end of it. And there's not going to be a comparison how long it's going to last. It'll last a lot longer being solid hickory than it will a vinyl wrap. Okay, this dinette's going to fold down and make you into a bed. This couch is going to make you into a bed as well. Okay, you see here and here, got cabinets above the bed, another hanging closet at the foot of your bed. Swing around here, cabinets, drawers, cabinets. We've upgraded to a convection microwave, flat screen TV that will swing around to where you could actually see it from the bed. Now, again, I mentioned the upgrade of the soft touch walls. Okay, all that means is if somebody opens a soda, splatters ketchup, a nice sponge will wipe this off. Anything on the walls, it is an upgrade. You know, we upgraded the back of the splash guard here. Right here when you're frying or doing anything here, splatter anything. We've upgraded that. You got a nice large countertop here, dual stainless steel sinks. And you can kind of see the hickory here, the difference in the wood and the colors. Makes it really stand out. Okay, you have your large refrigerator. You have a freezer here on the top. You have a fridge here on the bottom, or fridge here on the bottom. More drawers, more storage. And we'll walk you in here to the bathroom. Frosted glass here to your left. Nice vanity to your right. Dual mirrors. And your storage here. Okay, now this is upgraded. This is a porcelain stool. Most of them are plastic. Just little things like this that when you start talking bighorn and some of the features, well, you're getting that. Okay, you got a real nice hanging closet here, dual hanging closet. And then on the bottom, all your real nice drawers. Pretty cool. And more storage here on the bottom of this. Okay, now this switch here that I just flipped, okay, I'm going to flip this, and this is going to light your horse compartment up from your bathroom. So if you come in here on the right hand side at night, kick all your dirty and wet clothes off here in your muddy boots, then you come in, you're not tracking all this through into your living quarters. Somebody calls you, 3 o'clock in the morning, say, hey, your horse is loose, your horse is down, or whatever. You come here, and you're able to turn the light on, and then go out this side door. You're not trying to find a flashlight, trying to find your boots and all this stuff. It's taken care of. It's already done. It's already set up. Okay, I showed you the floor. Give you a look-see again. It's all trimmed in the darker vinyl with the alligator trim on top of it. Gator's trim set in here. It's not a wrap that looks cheap. This is an inlay that looks very nice. Again, the soft touch, and again the contrast in the wood, because every piece of solid hickory is different. It does not. It's not a vinyl. Anyway, guys, this is Rick at Cowtown USA. I try to get up here and sit down and kind of give you a bird's eye view of what we're talking about. We'll walk around here just a little bit. This has got some features. They are more money. They charge me more money for it, but in the end, it does make a nicer interior for sure. Anyway, this is Rick at Cowtown, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Go on our website, CowtownUSAINC.com, CowtownUSAINC.com. Watch our television show on RFD, Women's Pro Rodeo Today, and spread the news about Cowtown USA. Thank you.